Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share an announcement regarding re-examination that will be conducted in the month of June. And as you know already, the exam will be in offline mode exam. You have to attend the exam at the comfort of your home. And you will be receiving your question paper through any one of the platforms such as Google Classrooms, Microsoft Teams or email or any other sources whichever your college prefers. Most of the college prefers Google Classroom to send the question paper, and you will have some general instructions. So you will be provided the hall ticket for admission to the examination. You can just download the hall ticket in the official web portal of the office of the controller of examination. So it is issued by the as per the regulations and instructions issued by the university from time to time. And also, if you are not comply with the above requirements given in the hall ticket, the student will be treated as cancelled. For all the theory examinations, you should appear from your place of stay, and if you are having any discrepancies with regarding spelling of name of the student or subject for which the student is permitted to the examination, should immediately be brought to the notice of the controller of examinations of the concerned university. So you have to ensure you whether you have received your question paper correct. So that is, you have to check your subject code and subject name for all the examinations, and importantly you have to ensure whether you have received the question paper for the current regulation, whichever regulation you are attending the exam. And also you should not leave any blank pages in your answer scripts. If any blank pages remaining, you just strike out using your pen. You should use blue or black ink or ballpoint pen for the entire exam. Writing wrong register name, number or subject code in the answer book will end in summary of rejection of the answer book. You have to correctly mention your register number and subject code in the answer script. And also you have to produce your hall ticket in case of any verification from the university. And the exam pattern, as you know already, it is take home, and the duration of examination is 3 hours only. So the pattern will be followed before the COVID-19 pandemic, that is offline mode pen and paper examination. The examination of the students who have appeared for the November-December 2020 examinations conducted during February, March or April, that is on your previous exam. So if you get pass mark in this subject, or if you don't have any satisfaction in that result, you can just reappear for the exam. And the current semester examinations also the same pattern, that is pen and paper pattern, and it is not applicable for the postgraduate second semester. Yeah, those who have got the pass grade in the February 2021 examinations can also appear for the re-examination. If you are willing to do so, you just attend the exam in the June, and the consolidated will be considered as the final one. So don't worry about that. If you are not satisfied, or if you are willing to write re-exam in the June month, you can just attend the exam. So the best of 2 marks will be considered as the final one. And the device requirement for taking re-examination is, you have to ready with the laptop or desktop or mobile or any tablet with internet facility to download the question paper before examination, and for the same to upload the scanned copy, that is PDF version of the answer script after the examination. And they will mention the stationeries required for examination, that is, you have cloth lined covers, preferably for A4 size, to send your answer sheets through post or courier. And to write your exams, you have to ensure the black and blue pen, and if you want all those things, you just buy it before your examination, it will be helpful. And they will give the method to be followed during your examination. So You may get ready to write the examination in take-home mode from your place of stay, and you should have ready with all the stationery required for writing the examination, and the question paper will be shared through any one of the platform as your college preferred. And the students who have write the answer sheets in A4 size paper, you should have write the answers in A4 size paper on both the sides, that is limited to 30 pages, that is 15 sheets back to back. Except that 15 sheets, you have to attach your annexure 1 at the before the front page, and you have to use thread to tie up the answer script. You must write the examinations in blue or blue pen, and you are not allowed to type the answer, or you are not permitted to copy and paste the images from the book in your answer scripts. And this is the most important thing, you have to write your register number, name of the student, subject code, and subject name of the subject should be at the top of the page. Each page you have to write the register number, name of the student, subject code, and subject name at the top of the page, and at the bottom of the page you have to write the date of examination, that is current date of the day, and page number and signature of the student. You should ensure you have to do this for each page, that is 30 pages. You have to ensure the register number and subject code, subject name, and name of yours, and date, page number, signature. And you can just scan the answer script and convert it as PDF file with the register number subject code. So the file name will be your register number and subject code. You can upload the answer script through any one of the platform created by your college within 60 minutes, that is within 1 hour you have to send your scanned copy to your university or college. And the student has to dispatch the answer script in a cloth-lined cover by speed post or register post or courier service addressed to the principal of the respective institution on the day of examination itself. So for the phone-in session, you have to send your answer scripts on the very next day of the afternoon session. Failing which is examination attempt for the day will be treated as absent. If the next day is Sunday or holiday for post office or courier service, next day working day, whichever the day working day for the post office or courier service shall be the day of dispatch of the answer script to the principal. You have to send a separate postal cover for each answer script. So if you are writing your exam one in the forenoon session and afternoon session, you have to send that in the separate cover. And the answer scripts of only those students who have uploaded PDF file in Google Classroom or any one of the platform within 16 minutes after the examination, and those who answer script is received at the institution with the prescribed time limit shall be considered for evaluation. You have to send your answer scripts before the stipulated time period. Submitting more than one copy of answer scripts will not be allowed. So send your copy at the first time in a correct order and correct manner. And your handwriting also verified by the university or college. You have to ensure there is no mismatch in your handwriting during your examination. Since the examination will conduct in take home mode, the students have to attend the exam only from the place of stay, and you should dispatch your answer scripts by any one of the services like speed post or register post or courier service. And also hand over the answer script in person is not allowed. If you have any queries related to the examination, you just contact your college for more assistance. So the examination will be conducted in 2 sessions, one in the forenoon and another one in the afternoon session. And the activity is the question paper will be sent to your college at 9 to 9:30 for forenoon session. You can write the exam from 9:30 AM to 12. For uploading soft copy of the answer sheet, you have to upload your sheets from 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. and for the afternoon session your college will receive the question paper from 2 to 2:30 and you can write your exam from 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. and you have to upload your soft copy of the answer sheet from 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. and the cover page of answer scheme should be in the format of Annexure 1 that is attached below, and the students appearing for the examination must fill the information on the sheet for each examination and you should not write anything on the back side. And also the label given in Annexure 2 should be printed and filled and pasted on the cloth lined cover while dispatching the hard copy of the answer script to the principal. The Annexure 1 and Annexure 2 is given below and they will explain the following things in the flow chart. That is, you have to first download the hall ticket from the official website and you should ready with all the stationery items, and the distribution of question paper will be 9 to 9:30. You can start the exam from 9:30 to 12:30 and for afternoon session you can write your examination from 2:30 onwards, and during examination you should have the Annexure 1 for the cover page followed by your 30 pages answer sheets, and you have to ensure all the details to be mentioned in your sheets. And the final step is you have to dispatch the answer sheet in the cloth lined cover pasted. The label in Annexure 2 should be printed and filled and pasted on the cloth lined cover while dispatching the hard copy of the answer sheet. And you should not visit the institution to hand over the answer script in person. They will attach the Annexure 1 format and Annexure 2 you can just download and print it out. So Annexure 1 contains your college code, college name, register number followed by candidate name, and degree, branch, semester, question paper code, subject name and date, session, number of pages and your signature. Also you have to mark the questions you have attended. Once you filled all those things, you just make it as cover page for your answer script and tie it up and dispatch your answer sheets using cloth line cover by pasting this Annexure 2 at the top of the page.